Okay, so tonight's video, I'm just going to go over some live trades that I'm in using the UFX trend follower strategy. And I just want to show you guys how it is working out and how everything's going. So I've got about 5 trades here to go through. First one is going to be the Aussie yen. You can see we're in a sell. Just got into this one today. We've got the entry, the stop loss, meets all the criteria here. You can see I have it in the checklist. Next, we're going to be going over the Euro New Zealand. Okay, this one here I got in a little while ago. You can see I tried to get in on this day right here where we had the crossover. We're all green on the 36 EMA and we're above the 200 here. I had my entry right about here. It pulled back and didn't get into the entry here. So the following day I moved the entry down where I got the entry and the stop loss here, and this is where I got filled, and I've just been moving the stop loss up as we continue to go here. So that's the Euro New Zealand trade. We're going to get into the New Zealand yen. This one here we got in a day ago. You can see where the entry is here and the stop loss. I've got 2 out of the 3 check marks for my sells to take a trade here. So I did like it and I took it. We had our crossover the day prior to that one. Tried to come up, failed, came back down below the 200 here and started spreading this day. The 36 and the 200 started spreading apart here. So I decided to take a try on this one. My entry is down here. Stop loss was up here. I'm in a short up here based on another criteria. Where I have my stop loss there set to there now, and I've got my stop loss moved down as well now that we're coming down. So tightened up the stop loss on this trend follower trade. Okay, that's the New Zealand yen. And the pound New Zealand, the pound pairs have just done good here this last little bit. So I'll show you the pound New Zealand. This one I got in back here. You can see I've got the arrow, the crossover, and I got in right at the base here. We shot up the following day and have just been on a nice uptrend here right now. So I've just been moving my stop loss accordingly. Like I show in the other videos, I use the fractals to move my stop losses, and I don't smother the trade. I give it some time to move and do what it needs to do so that when it pulls back, I'm not getting stopped out right away. So giving it some room, letting it climb and do what it's doing. So it's doing pretty good. It's up about 622 pips, I believe. Is 616 pips. So this trade's doing really well. The Euro Aussie. Not too bad, and this is what I mean. I've just moved it up. See, at the last couple hours here, I looked at the charts, went over it, moved my stop up. So now I'm in profit here a bit. So we'll see. We've had the pullback, started to move back up. So move the stop loss just under the fractals here. Still giving it some room. I'm still about 67 pips away from where the price action is. So it's got lots of room here. But now it's a risk-free trade, and we got in back here. You can see the crossover. The 36 is all green here, and we're above the 200. A little bit of a sideways day here. Took the entry, and we're moving up to the upside now. So we'll see if this can keep climbing here. You can see I have it all checked off here in the checklist. So if you're interested in these indicators, interested in the strategy, head over to the website. I'll put it in the description. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks.